you will not get no cancer diagnoses without parasites. So anytime, 99% of the time, if you see a cancer diagnosis, that means that you either went through three things. I'm going to say it's all three things together, but the allopathic community say each one can trigger it. It's either going to be in energy deficiency, meaning that you lack in energy because the mitochondria is not producing enough what they call ATP to keep the cells functioning and to keep them firing off correctly, or you go through something called mitochondrial failure, which means you're not getting a lot of sunlight, and because the mitochondria sole purpose is to act and function from sunlight. So, and you know, black people ain't been in the sun enough, right? And then the third thing is what you will call oxygen-deprived cells, when the cells loses oxygen. These are three things that causes cancer. And then the fourth thing that's been the big elephant in the room that the CIA just released the document showing this. You know what I'm saying? It's unclassified that 99% of cancer patients and victims all had parasites that was associated with it. And they've been hiding that since 1940. And they just released the files 2 years ago, unclassified the files, showing it on the papers. I put the paper on my social media, and they're showing that most of these cancer diagnoses or what you would call misdiagnoses and actually are parasitic infections. In fact, there is not one so-called disease that's associated with the human body that's not associated with a parasite.